Alright guys, been on the water for about 40 minutes now. Got my new lights installed. The first button will be white lights. I'm blinded. Second button is your nav lights. And then if you hold it down, it goes into SOS. Don't want to leave that on too long because I'm out here in the water. But that's my Nocqua navigation lights. I got them running on a 4.4 amp hour battery. Once we get a little bit more light, actually, I can show you guys right now. Got this little battery kicking them. Got everything kind of tucked up in here, and it's lighting up my life. Now I am seen from boats, airplanes, and space. I like them. Thank you, Nocqua. Good morning, everybody. We're back out here again. Lower Matlacha Pass. It's a little breezy out here at one of my favorite spots. If you know the spot, you know the spot. Joined out here today with my buddy Justin, Kayaking with the Fishes 239, and one of my subscribers, Greg. We're gonna cruise around, see what we can find. Looking for some reds, some snook, some trout, anything honestly that we can find out here. It's a big king tide, falling tide today. I think it was like 6 o'clock was the start of low tide coming down, so it's a falling tide all day. Wind is higher than we were predicting and seeing online, but we'll be all right. There's a few islands we're gonna go bounce around, hide behind, see what we can find. So stay tuned. Thank you guys again for watching. Give a like, a comment, and subscribe if you can, and see you guys on the water. Beautiful. Look at all these morning commuters. There's some ladies around. It's a bit breezy today. Leg day today. Lots of kicking just to stay in place. Water temp was like 81 when I launched. It was beautiful. Got 2 hits, but nothing yet. Throwing around this backcountry bandit, wise guy's tackle with the red dog jig head. Throwing it in little pockets. She's gorgeous, but she got an attitude today. What, little red? Hell yeah, come here. No, little red. A little 2 dot, 3 dot. Hell yeah, little buddy. He's little, but we'll measure him just because. 12 1/4. Give me a gorgeous little photo, little buddy. Whee! Oh, sorry. Oh, come on in here, man. Boom. Drumming up a storm. There it is. Red dog jighead, backcountry bandit. What we got? Just shy of 21. Let's release him. Beautiful. See ya. Little baby red.
Baby red?
Yeah, right here in the middle.
Yeah. Oh yeah, stinks today.
Little fella. Oh, come on. Found some cleaner water on the way back. Got a lot of mahara. Lots of mullet everywhere. Got 3 reds so far. It's a good day. Need a little snook and a little trout. Give me my slam. I'll take some reds. Look at that. Another red. Number 4 for the day. Oh, come here. Red dog jighead. Backcountry bandit. Little fella. Boom. Go on. Hell yeah. There's some trout. And he's gone, so that counts. He touched the boat. I touched the leader. He's a gunner. I need a new one of these. That's for sure. Right back up in there. Trout number 2 for the day. He's a little guy. But he counts. I feel like bite. Hey, can I get that back? Hey, I know. It was good. See, a little bit afternoon, and it's been rough today. The bite has been like almost non-existent. I have gotten lucky to get the fish I did today, but it's been just completely a dead day. It's just been pretty dead. Beautiful day, but the bite has been non-existent. So just cruising around, hitting a couple more spots. The Florida penguin. It can fly, it can dive, it can steal your bait off the popping cork. Well, we're gonna call it a day. Gonna make it back to the launch, load up, and clean up. I got 4 redfish today, 2 trout, ladyfish. Had a snook on, but lost it. It was a little dude. But it was a good day. The fishing was very rough. The bite was non-existent. There was little to no bite. But it was still a fun day on the water, you know, enjoying nature and having a good day with some friends. So I was joined out here today with my buddy Justin, Yakking with the Fishes 239, and one of my subscribers, Greg. Thanks for joining me today. It was a cool day out on the water, showing you a couple of spots. But we're gonna call it a day, head back in. I want to thank you guys for watching. Give a like, a comment, and a subscribe if you can. Helps the channel grow. Again, once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to do another giveaway, so Thank you again. See you guys on the water.